welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have an exciting new project. We actually have a, what is this thing?
It's a 2018 Kia Stinger GT2.
Kia Stinger GT2. And this is CJ of CJ Media. He actually purchased this vehicle for his dad.
Right.
He mostly does motorcycles and stuff on his channel, but he's venturing out into rebuilding cars. And this is the very first one, I'm guessing, right?
Second.
Second.
I did 2019 Mustang GT back in the day.
Oh, okay. And did it have like framework and stuff like that?
Yeah, the apron was damaged,
That's
just like V-Tunes.
So you're pretty familiar with rebuilding.
Somewhat, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Just like Ben's Mustang, that the wheels shot up.
Oh yeah.
Right here, that's the same thing.
Yeah, that's a Mustang thing. You know, they're built really weak. Got something in my eye there. No, I'm just kidding. I love Mustangs. Mustangs are the best. But I mean, the front end does not look all that bad. I think mainly that rebar is making it look pretty bad because it's shifted over. But you can see right here, it really just popped out. It broke the bolts and it bent this. So I'm thinking we're just going to be able to jerk that over and then take it off. We'll measure the square on the front. It does look like the height is a little bit different, but we won't really know until we put it on the frame machine. And then also in the back, there's some quarter damage.
Oh, there's big damage.
Yeah, you can pop the trunk if you got the key on you.
Oh, it's a hatchback. Wow. You see that?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. I stripped that out, so it should be.
Oh, nice.
Should be able to see everything.
Very nice. Definitely beefed the rail a little bit and moved it, but the good thing is, unlike on the Golf R that we just did.
Oh yeah.
Remember that little nasty surprise on that rail, man? That was crazy. But this is just kink. Like if you look right here, you see that?
Oh right.
Yeah, and that's basically from where all this metal it all crushed together, and it still had enough force to just kind of tweak that just a little bit. So we'll have to probably grab both the rails and pull them back over slightly. But again, we won't really know until we measure everything on the frame machine. But I do see that the deck lid has some weird gaps going on. So
it's pretty large gaps on both sides, actually.
Yeah, it's weird.
Surprising.
They're not consistent, is what I'm looking at. You know.
Gotcha.
They're like right here. If you look, it's like lower here and then higher here.
Right.
You know? So I mean, it definitely sucked this quarter panel down though.
Oh yeah.
So. And then the gap with this door, it's touching the door, so it definitely got pushed over.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can hear it tap.
Yeah. So when we pull it, we'll have to kind of pull it towards the back, kind of pull it out this way, and we are hoping to save this, right?
Right.
Is that what we're trying to do?
Right.
Okay. You got a good body man over there in Wisconsin. You the man. You can do body work?
I'll give it my best.
Okay. All right, that works. All right, guys, so we're going to get this thing up on the frame machine. We're going to strap it down. And while they are strapping it down, I'm going to repair the frame machine because I may or may not have broken it last night. So I'm going to pull this thing on and we're going to keep going. I need to grab this and pull it over, but I don't know what is going to happen to there.
Maybe we should pop the radiators and the stuff out.
Well, I need to release them. See,
they're stuck?
They're pinched in there.
I didn't see that. Are you going to weld onto this, yeah?
I think I'm going to weld something on right there, yeah.
All right, yeah.
We had CJ weld this plate on right here, and he did a really good job on that weld, man. I'm very proud. So we've removed the reinforcement bar and we actually have some really good news. As you can see right here, it's very minor damage up underneath. I think the hardest part about this is going to be removing that stud right there. But that's okay because we actually have a neat little trick for that. That one is actually probably going to just come right out.
Yeah, it's already loose.
Nice. So a little bit of PB Blaster and some twisting and turning, and it's going to come right out. And then we need to straighten out this frame end horn, which I think is going to be pretty easy. That is true.
You couldn't have done that at home, dude? Get you a slide hammer?
I actually did bring my slide hammer with me.
The only thing can't get in there, but I guess it really doesn't matter, man.
That frame rail does look a little like bent down.
Looks up, yeah? Or is this one down?
Tweaky, tweaky, tweaky. We're about to find out. Right here we have a little kink, and also we have a kink up there, and that was the main reason I needed to get rid of the radiators. But also there's a couple of kinks over here as well. If you look right here, that is pushed back. This part of the frame rail is pushed in, and you can see it actually visually. So we'll need to put a slight pull on this and straighten that out. And then also if you look right here, we've got a bit of a kink going on here as well. So the top part of this will have to be pulled out very lightly, and then that will have to be tapped in. And then we'll have to straighten out this bracket right here and weld it back onto it. But you know what? It's always better than this. And we're centered here.
Center.
Now a lot of people will be like, oh, you can't measure to the top of the strut towers and stuff, so I guess we'll measure somewhere else.
Bet.
We'll go right here to this hole. It's gonna be a little bit awkward. It'll be awkward, but it's like a first date, you know?
I wouldn't know.
Well, they don't date up in Wisconsin?
Nope.
Yeah, they all just straight up get married.
It's just the hookup culture.
Look at that.
Dead on it.
Money.
Dead on it. Money talks. BS walks. That's why I do a whole lot of walking around here.
When's the new merch drop for that shirt coming out?
Look at that fitment, man. Look at that quarter panel. I did not think that that quarter panel was going to pop out like that. Now it ain't perfect because, what time is it?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock in the morning, and this man right here is running on 2 hours of sleep and has...
I got 11 hours to drive now.
Bro, I don't even know how he's still standing. But look at this, we got this quarter done. CJ is going to finish dolling everything out. We have everything lined up. The bumper fits beautifully. All the lights fit beautifully. All the gaps look beautiful. Everything is just absolutely beautiful on this. Oh, whoa. Was my Milwaukee heading to Wisconsin?
Yes.
Oh man, and my hammer. All right guys, we gotta get this out. We gotta get this out, man. We can't be seeing our tools on CJ Media.
And for your information, he already took the tail light out of here because this plastic piece was wobbly, and he double-sided tape underneath this plastic piece, smashed it together, and now the fitment is fantastic. So Yuri goes above and beyond.
Yep, that's what we do because
Always.
these what are these cars called? These
Stingers.
These Kias.
Stingers.
Wait, is this like an actual like car or is it a Honda? What is it? A Kia?
Kia Stinger, yeah.
So it's called a Kia Stinger.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And look at these gaps. Look at these gaps. They're phenomenal.
Yeah, it looks really
Like,
good.
oh my goodness.
For a Stinger, I think that's like Mercedes quality.
Is that good?
I don't know.
Mercedes
Are Mercedes pretty decent? I've never had one.
Me either.
Well, no, I had that one. What did I have? An ML5.
That's a 03. It doesn't count.
Hey, leather seats, bro.
Never mind.
Leather seats.
Never mind.
What's it called? That stuff that blows.
AC.
Yeah, AC. AC in the seats,
That
bro.
stuff that blows?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hey, let's go check out the front of this car. The front even looks better.
Insane.
Check it out. This is our Hyundai. Man, it looks really good. I'm so happy. I'm so happy and see here, the plan was not to get this car done tonight. The plan was to get as much done as we can, and then CJ was gonna go back. Nah, see, we weren't gonna let him do that. That's like 22 hours of extra driving.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's way too much driving. If he's coming back again, he's coming back with a new build. They ain't gonna be coming back with the same thing.
You got a motorcycle that needs a frame pulled?
Hey, there you
You're not
go.
supposed to pull frames on motorcycles.
Bro, we'll extend that thing.
You're not supposed to do a lot of things, man.
Hey, what about that thing we did on here that we weren't supposed to do? Remember that?
What?
Oh, never mind. We weren't supposed to talk about
I
that.
don't even remember that.